Alright, so it is currently 1 week later, and I am outside in the cold. It's actually 1 degree right now, and they say that the feeling temperature is -3. So it's cold, but I have to do some things to this car. I'm not on a time schedule now, but I do now have work again, so I need to fix this car in the meantime in the winter. So yeah, we'll just see how that goes. So let's get started. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to get to the port that's right here for the exhaust. But for that I need to take off the distributor and dismount, and to do that, just need to take it off. Also, I'm gonna start with the battery, because dangerous. It's a plus. Ooh. Nee, maar dat moet toch weg, dus. There. Which is the most annoying bit. Are you seriously 16? 16, alright. I wonder if it was just loose, or if I do need to clean it. I'm really not sure. If I put it on too tight and it's not clean, it's still gonna blow by. I guess I'm just gonna do the cleaning thing, and then we'll see. Alright, so let me get you a little bit closer in on the action. This is the exhaust, which I'm trying to undo. Basically undoing a mistake that I did. But I can only just do very tiny moves, so it sucks. But it works, so. Not complaining, just explaining. It's so cold. Why is it so cold? It's almost like it's winter. That felt different. Okay, come on, please. Yes. I can twist it by hand. You can hear it squeaking. That's why it was so tough. Hold on. Hold on. Am I able to? There we go. Success. That's the one that I wanted. Oh, God. Okay. So. This is gonna fold down here. Right there. Alright. So basically I use this to undo the bolt that is right here. There we go. And now we have full access to the parts that are in here that I need to take a look at. But I can barely move it because the other side is still in there. So I have to get creative. Alright, so what I'm doing is I've got a paper right here. I'm just moving it throughout there. Because I don't think it's the seal, it's actually right where this thing is connecting. So just getting this in there should do wonders. Should hopefully be the fix that I need.
Try one more, all the way down to the bottom. I can just get it in there. With a cat. So I guess that's fine. Because honestly, it's probably already pretty good.
Oh, no, wrong way. That's the wrong way. Oh, hello. Hello. Okay, there we go. Let's just push this one a little bit forward. Alright, see? Could see it move. That's good. Now we go to the other one. Which is annoying. I'm just gonna do this and we'll... Alright, so we are on the home stretch. So when we do this one, it feels tight. And if we do this one, it feels tight as well. So now it's just a question of getting them evenly tight. Hi. Maybe since maybe now this one does that as well. Again? Maybe? No, no. No, that's still tight. Okay. Now let's start putting everything back by first putting this one back in. I'm basically gonna go in the order that it came out, because usually that is a good way to do things. Bits and pieces. Alright. Now, this is the last bolt, but I need to go. So, this one needs to go in here, and then there's a nut at the other side, but I don't have the nut. It fell, so that's a good thing. So, gonna look for a new nut for this, and then, well, I guess we'll just have to improvise. It's just a normal bolt, so it'll be fine. Ah. Okay, so that is one of the first times that I have done anything like this before, on making a video and working on the car at the same time. It's kind of interesting. It's actually kind of motivating to keep going. So I'll probably be doing this more in the future. Although I'm kind of a slow worker and a scared worker, I like to do things right.